everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. Today's video is an extreme early morning new house cleaning. I wanted to come and give you guys an empty house quick clean before all of our furniture arrive. This is the first clean with me in the new house, so I hope you guys enjoy. But do not forget, you can turn this video on any of your devices and clean with me, or you can watch now and get motivation for later. Either way, let's get to cleaning. I gave up one awkward shaped pantry for another one, but this one is so much bigger and I cannot wait to organize it.
Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change, like I'm better off with you.
My friend Ebony LeMay is the Oda Band queen, and once I arrived here, I found some and I am going to try it out. I will link her channel down below for you guys to check her out.
But somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why.
This is one day after we arrived and we took everything out of our cars and placed it inside the dining and kitchen area, but you will see me organizing everything by room and placing it in the living area.
You needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with.
If this is your first time clicking on my video, first, I would like to thank you, and I would also like to introduce myself. My name is Tamarika. I am a military wife and mother of 3 boys, and on my channel, you will find cleaning, organization, home decor, and also some DIYs. If this is something that you would enjoy, please consider subscribing and comment below to introduce yourself.
Like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt.
This is the first clean with me, so you guys have to bear with me with all of my angles.
Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
Now that I am done with the kitchen, I am going to unpack these 2 boxes that we brought along with us. It's pretty much all the stuff that we forgot to give the movers to pack and just some stuff that we needed before our furniture arrive.
My feelings got ignored. Now I get back to now, love. Got me feeling like I stepped on legal, stressing on my way to work. My way to work. Smiling like a robot, try my best to cover up how much it hurts. You know it hurts. I'm not coming to your birthday party. You know I can't dance when I'm broken hearted. My family don't care, I guess they're unaware. I moved out of the nest then. The city's cold and dark, inspires all my art, but I just get so messed up. Got me feeling like I stepped on legal, stressing on my way to work. My way to work. Smiling like a robot, try my best to cover up how much it hurts. You know it hurts. I'm not coming to your birthday party. You know I can't dance when I'm broken hearted. My heart is made of stone.
If you have made it this far in the video and you are still cleaning with me, we are almost there. But do not forget to like this video because it helps my channel out so much, and it also lets me know that you guys enjoy videos like this. If you are new here and you've enjoyed the video so far, please consider subscribing and comment below so we can chat. And for all of my day ones, you guys know that I am thankful for all of the support you have been showing me.
how you feel. So quiet laying next to me. A silent souvenir. Letting you go, letting you go. Keep craving you the days that you don't want me. Like searching for some heat inside a cold breeze. On and on forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me, oh. Cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. Cause I don't care as long as you're there. As long as you're there. Baby we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love.
Now that I am done with downstairs, I am going to tackle the master bathroom and also the boys' bathroom.
We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Guess we're pioneers, roaming around the atmosphere. I hate when you're not near, drifting away, drifting away. Keep missing you the days that you don't see me. Like searching for a heart inside of my sheet. Sitting here forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me, oh. Cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. Cause I don't care as long as you're there. As long as you're there. Baby we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing.
I hope you guys are enjoying this empty house quick clean. I pretty much wanted to hit all of the high traffic spots. I did vacuum, but I will be doing that again once our furniture arrives, so you guys will get to see that pretty soon.
All night, baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. The closer I get, the further you go. I wanna know if I walk away, do you wanna get close? Do you wanna get close? Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh no. I don't really care if you don't mind, don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time. Nah, 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 no drama, no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation.
So my boys' bathroom was already a hot mess. They got a haircut here, so when they took a bath, they left their hair in the tub and it was just a mess. But the toilet, you guys already know.
Be good all the time. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. I've been walking down the street like an alien. They say time will heal, but I don't have patience. You packed your things, now we begin the erasing. All the memories slowly start to fade, and the days move so slow. I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love. 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 I don't check my phone, I don't wanna face it. Everything feels wrong and there's no replacing. What we had is gone and it's all too late. And I'm better off, but I can't deal with this aching. The days move so slow. I know I gotta go, but I can't get it.
And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this extreme early morning new house cleaning. It was a empty house quick clean because I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I was tired from a 17-hour drive. So, but I hope it gave you all the motivation you need to tackle your home. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my latest uploads. And I hope you guys have a great day.